How to recover Vinted account. So the very first thing you want to do is to open any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Vinted account. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on this interface. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and move into Help Center. Tap on Accept All. Once again scroll down and right here you will get to see the option of Not Logged In. Head over to it. Now click on I can't log into my account. It will redirect you to this page. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Contact Us. This interface will appear. So in this page, what you want to do is first of all enter your email address, and then you can enter your picture or the screenshot where you are not being able to log into your account. And then at the end, you need to enter the issue that you have been facing on Vinted account. You simply need to write that you want to recover your account. And once you are done, you need to click on Send Issue for review. After that, within 24 hours, the Vinted support will definitely come up with some solution for you, and your account will be recovered successfully. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to recover your Vinted account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.